All right, the next one we're going to be taking a look at is GIGL. This one we went over last on 12/14, okay? And briefly looking at here on 12/14, I said 0044, we were on a hold, okay? I didn't put reasons why or anything like that. I just put the contest. It was in the contest. So 12/14, I said to put it on hold. Needs volume. That's more than likely what I would have said if I would have went back and looked at it. So I'm gonna put $100 on. If you go back and listen to the last one, I said it needed it would have needed more volume. So obviously that's changed. And to Cable Guy over here in the chat, yes, it will be available. All these videos that we do, we separate them into segments for each individual ticker. For everybody that's watching this right now, later on, I'm talking to somebody over here in our live chat, which is investorshangout.com/live. Cable Guy, yes, it will be available on YouTube for the full streams. You know what? Once I get caught up here, maybe I will put together a map of all the old videos. I have everything. Maybe that's what I'll do. And so then you can just go to a certain page here directly on the site, and I'll label each one of them. You can click on it, or at least a live stream. So yes, you will be able to. Maybe for the time being, underneath this video, I'm going to put a link to the live stream, the previous live stream. So yes, they will be on YouTube. Just go over to Investors Hangout on YouTube, subscribe to us, and you'll see all of the videos on there. So you'll be able to see today's date in each individual ticker. Or if you'd like to listen to the 2-hour stream, we'll have it on there so you can follow along. So let's get back to GIGL. I hope that helped. You're welcome, Cable Guy. So over here, GIGL, we're going to be covering this one. Jobim just mentioned this one. He missed this one. That sucks, man. It happens. It does happen. So 0104 looks like I might have missed a run a little bit here, but we covered this one back, like I said, on the 14th, and I said it needed more volume, that I thought it would move, and here we are. Boom. That volume comes in, and it just takes off. You broke through yesterday the 10-day simple moving average right here. Okay, you see this 10-day simple moving average. You break that down. Something must have happened today. I don't know if there was news or what, but something, because you're going to hit record volume today. Right now, I can tell you this right now, you're going to hit some record volume. This stock has plenty of room to run. As far as plenty of room to run. So keep this one on radar. I mean, you might be able to get a trade out of this one. I would take a look at the 5-minute chart to really get a good eye on it before you wanted to trade it and see how that's trading. But right now we're looking at the daily. Joe, we have a special guest. Joe's daughter's here. She's over there giggling. So I think that this might be a great stock for her to cover. You want to have her come in and tell us what the share structure is, or?
Well, she's actually getting ready to go to bed right now. Take a quick little nap.
Okay.
Yeah, which is good because she was getting pretty loud for a little bit. Yeah, so we went over this on the 14th. So I'm willing to bet who was it? Penny Buster picked it back then, and that contest from the one that ended on December 16th. And back then, let's see, where was it at? It was at 005 at that time when he picked it. All right, so I went over and I was looking to see if there's any news or whatnot to see what was going on, and there's nothing over here. I mean, it's a QB, which is always a good thing over on OTC markets. Maybe I'm going to look at the filings real quick. I mean, something must have gave for it to have that pop today. Well, nothing recent since the last time we went over it. I'm gonna go over onto the what company's website, see maybe if they, did something with news over there.
All right, so I see this right here. I want to point this out real quick. All right, so guys, again, you know what? If you're watching this one, I can't stress this enough, and I do this during these videos when we go through this. So for GIGL, if you were a member of Investors Hangout, you would have been able to find this before we did during the stream. So let me show you how. If you were here from the home page, logged in, logged out, just hit MVP, top right hand corner, type in MVP, and then go over here to the left, Investors Hangout MVPs, and you click on that and type in GIGL. All right, look at this. Talking about this yesterday. 1/5/2017, 148. Really good call from Street Trader. So 0032. That was 0032. So he said that down here. 0032. Boom. Down here where this mouse is. And look at where it's at now. So hats off to him again. I mean, he called HIRU 2 days before it ran. So, hey, guys, pay attention to this stuff. All right. I'm telling you right here, the Investors Hangout MVP board. This is among 3 really good boards. You got Sheepwolf's $1 Million Journey. You've got the NASDAQ Dip and Rip board. You got the MVP board. I mean, you see, these are one of the top 3 most active boards for these picks coming out of here. So, like I said, hats off to Street Trader, to everybody that's part of Investors Hangout in finding this, because you see the proof right here. This was talked about yesterday. Joe, is that all you had to add for this one?
Well, you can't really like single out them 3 boards. There's a lot of different
No,
boards
I
on the
know
site that
that's
have like, there's a lot of like each board has its own little different members that bring their own trading style or all this. It's basically collective research. You can't go wrong. With this right here, there's really nothing for me to add besides I'll just do a quick overview. Giggles N Hugs Incorporated. It's a first of its kind, award-winning family restaurant and play space that combines organic gourmet food with the play elements for children in a 2,500 square foot play space in the middle of the restaurant. So I mean, it's a play place using organic food, which is always a good thing. I'm not sure. I'll look at the pictures and stuff. It's up like a decent amount with all this volume, so it's cool. I mean, I don't really have much to offer right now or talk about besides the fact that it's just running.
yeah, you'll have that. The GIGL, like I said, head over to Investors Hangout. Check it out.